Well, today we're gonna do a bed for this guy. It's a loft bed. It came in 4 boxes. We already opened the big box. So these are all the parts and pieces. We've got hardware over here. And then in these 3 boxes here, we've got drawers and other things. So it's a loft bed that has different furniture pieces you can put around it. And cute Luna is in the background. She just had her walk and her breakfast, and she's very excited to have somebody come hang out with her for a little bit.
She hasn't seen me this morning.
Oh yeah, you can show what's going on over there.
Hello. Hello,
All right. This is the room we're putting the loft bed in, and we have this mattress here that we got at Costco, of course. It's a brand new twin mattress, so that's what's going on the bed. We had the mattress first a couple days ago, and so we just set it up on the floor here so that you would have something to sleep on. Where are we putting the bed?
Well, we were just putting it right, like, a little, like, probably at the end of these marks that you do not put here. We put them on here on accident because that was where the other twin size bed was. The one that we were switching in a different video.
Yeah, we had one that's in our oldest son's room. It's a cherry stained hardwood double bed, and it left stains.
We can dispute whether it's hardwood or not.
I think it's hardwood. It left stains on the carpet, which is odd because we had it in 2 houses before this, and it did not stain the carpet. So something about this carpet and that stain.
So I think we would put it about here.
That's where it's going to start?
Yeah.
All right.
This is the end. I like to hold things up because then they're less sticking out and less,
Here, go get the other one.
they're less sticky outy.
Well, we got the headboards all finished, got those set up and connected, and now is going to be the really tricky thing where we've got to get the headboards up and then all of these vertical pieces in, and that will be on the time lapse. You'll be able to see that because I'm sure it will take a little bit of time. All right, well, we got this bed mostly put together. It was quite a challenge because the ends go up, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boards that have to go in before you can have it all put together. So we had all 3 boys and me and Petra helping put everything together. So it'll be on the time lapse so you can see it, but it's getting close. Now we just got to put the rails on, and then we're almost ready to put the mattress in. Now we are attaching the ladder, putting together the ladder so that can go on the loft bed. And then pretty soon we'll put the mattress up, or at least the mattress holder. But we're going to take a break after we finish the ladder here and get some breakfast.
Breakfast.
We got the ladder on over here, and that is all attached and affixed and works great. And then we put these back brackets on in the very back here, and these are not set up. I guess they're set up so you can put them wherever you want them, but there's no pilot holes for these, so we had to screw those in ourselves. And then the ladder is set up so that you can have it on either side, but it is kind of permanently affixed because it gets screwed to the leg board over there and up at the top. So we decided to put it on that side. And now we just have to put the lats down in the middle of the bed here, and then we can put the mattress in. And we've got the other furniture, which we'll probably work on some. Maybe we'll get it all done today, but we'll see. This last part is to screw all of these slats in. So they have to be 3 inches. The first one's 3 inches from the headboard on either side. And then they all get screwed in. And I can't use my drill because they're up against close against the
Hello,
bed,
Corbin.
so
We are under the
the
bed.
chuck would scrape the sides, so just get to hand screw them all in. But this is the last one, 24th screw, and then we'll be ready to just put the mattress on.
Arrange your stuff.
This would go here.
Petra knitted this imaginative creature that he came up with. It's called a hang head.
Yep.
Hang
Yep.
head. So if you want to see knitting videos, you can go to Petra's YouTube channel.
Well,
Ed card.
so done. Oof. And I can actually go. What? Yeah.
Oh,
I
somebody
can
fell.
actually go.
And there's even a little cubby hole underneath.
There you go.
You can actually
this
put
here,
tent,
and then
like
we
you can
have to-
actually put like tent cloth underneath.
There you go.
All right, so go
Here's your
show
blanket.
show us how you sleep.
I like to sleep this way. It feels like I'm still on the ground, only I'm not.
So cool.
I'm on the loft bed.
That's fun. And then I can read to you in the evenings. I can sit underneath the bed.
And it'll sound like a voice coming out of your loft bed, speaking words of wisdom and hardy boys.
Oh, and
There you go.
we're almost done with the book. And then we start the bars. Oh,
We are unpacking
wad it up.
the dresser. So this is the first of the 3 different.
Or, in the words of the box, the dress chest.
The dress chest.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the first of 3 pieces of furniture that go along with that loft bed. So we're gonna do this one first.
Excuse me, Daddy. I have to tear it. Well, this is like paper only thinner. Whoa. Oh, those are the drawer fronts. Or like this. I think it's like this. Daddy, look at this clump
That is crazy.
of styrofoam.
We already have a gigantic bag of styrofoam and packing from the last one.
And now we get more. Yeah. More.
We got the main body of the dresser going here. And we're gonna put the back on now.
Okay.
And attach all the little screws to it, or nails to it. And then putting together drawers.
So this is supposed to go on the warning symbol is supposed to go on the top. Sure.
Warning, danger, Will Robbins, danger.
There we go.
This, please heaviest items in the lowest drawers. Now that is weird.
I'm not going to be putting anything really heavy in there.
Yeah.
Just clothing.
Well, maybe the jeans should go with the cloth.
Yeah. Though they could go in any drawer because they're not too heavy.
Mommy's making sweet potato muffins.
Or
Can you see them
cupcakes.
from there?
Sweet potato cupcakes.
Yeah, just barely.
Num num. Yummy.
Behind the new sink that we made,
Ooh,
that
the
we
faucet.
installed.
It works so nicely.
Yeah.
Yay!
Check out another one of our videos for that.
All right, I'm gonna go pick up a hammer.
1, 2 here.
We have here is
The dresser.
the dresser for. It can be moved wherever you want it, but it's a little unit, and then that makes it a little more secret when you get under there.
Go.
Wait, let Mommy see.
Now let's install. Daddy, in the drawer.
That's okay, that's where I want it.
Now I
For
can
right now.
start installing the clothing.
Oh, or do you want to go outside and play for a little bit?
I think we should get all of the stuff
Can I go on
built
to the
and in
bed?
here before you load it up, so that you can